So I'll be showing you how to change the Instagram language back to English on your iPhone. So tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three-line button in the upper right, and that takes you to your settings page. Sometimes you might need to tap an extra button called settings and privacy to get to this page. Anyway, once you're here, scroll down to language. Here it is. But you'll notice when you tap on language, try and change language, it's going to tell you how to set your Instagram app language. And due to updates, you'll not be able to change the Instagram language independently. You have to actually change the language of the entire phone. So just tap on continue, and that's going to take you to this page where you can do nothing really. So to be able to change the language on Instagram, you have to change the font language. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to general, tap on that, and then under general, you should find language and region. Tap on that, and then you can change the language to something different. Like for instance, if you change to German or whatever you want to change the language to, that language will now be replicated in the Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.